Are you ready to unlock the secrets of digital marketing without spending a dime? Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we will explore 5 free websites that can transform your understanding of digital marketing. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks that can elevate your marketing game. Now, let's get started. First up is HubSpot Academy. Known for its comprehensive marketing resources, HubSpot offers free courses on content marketing, SEO, social media, and more. You can even earn certificates to showcase your expertise. Plus, their user-friendly interface makes learning enjoyable. Next, we have Google Digital Garage. This is a fantastic platform offering a variety of free courses from the basics to advanced digital marketing strategies. You can learn about data analytics, search engine optimization, and even how to create effective online ads. Completing their courses can also earn you a certificate from Google, which is a great addition to your professional profile. Coming in at number 3 is Coursera. While many courses here are paid, you can access a variety of free courses from top universities like Stanford and Yale. Just search for digital marketing courses, and you'll find options that cover the latest trends and strategies in the industry. Remember, knowledge from reputable institutions can set you apart. Fourth on our list is Moz Academy. Known for its SEO expertise, Moz offers free courses that dive deep into search engine optimization. Their resources are perfect for anyone looking to improve their organic search skills. Plus, they often provide free access to their courses during special promotions, so keep an eye out. Last but not least, we have SEMrush Academy. This platform provides free courses on SEO, PPC, content marketing, and social media. Their courses often include quizzes and certifications, making learning interactive and rewarding. With practical insights and real-world applications, SEMrush helps you stay ahead of the curve in digital marketing.
There you have it. 5 fantastic websites to kickstart your digital marketing journey for free. Remember, continuous learning is key in this ever-evolving field. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital marketing tips and tricks. Share your favorite learning platform in the comments below, and let's grow together.